Have you ever heard of a HyperShell or seen a HoverBoard? In this video, we will look at some coolest gadgets you didn't know about. Links with the prices are in the description below. Let's go! Number 1. Atmoph Window. This is a smart digital window that displays high-quality videos of different locations from around the world. It is designed to provide users with a realistic view of nature. Landscapes and cityscapes allow them to experience the beauty of the world from the comfort of their homes. High-resolution display and advanced sensors that adjust the brightness and color temperature to match the time of day and weather conditions of the selected location. Users can also customize the window by selecting their favorite locations and creating playlists in addition to displaying stunning scenery. This window also features a built-in speaker Bluetooth connectivity and the ability to display real-time information such as news, weather, and time. It is also compatible with popular smart home devices, allowing users to control the window through voice commands or their smartphones. Number 2. Touch Control Mirror. This makeup mirror is a beauty essential that allows you to get a closer look at your face while applying makeup or doing any other grooming tasks. With its powerful magnification, you can easily see every detail of your skin, including pores, fine lines, and blemishes. This makeup mirror has 3 color lighting: cold, warm, and natural light that provides 3 light scenes. Press the touch screen switch, changing the color of light. Hold the touch switch longer for brightness dim or bright. The lighted makeup mirror has 4 panels magnifying and wide-angle viewing. See clearly your face and make flawless makeup. The vanity mirror with lights can be powered by a USB charging cable. Adjust the makeup mirror as per the suitable viewing angle you need. A removable base from the cosmetic mirror, which is good for traveling. Number 3. Totam Planter. This planter is a type of vertical garden system that allows you to grow multiple plants in a small amount of space. It consists of a series of stacked planters that are attached to a central pole or support structure. Each planter has multiple openings for planting and watering, and the entire system is designed to be self-watering and self-draining. This planter is ideal for those who want to maximize their gardening space, whether they have a small balcony, limited outdoor space, or just want to bring some greenery indoors. This planter is a great way to add some green to your home or office. Number 4. HoverBar. This versatile adjustable arm that securely attaches to a desk table or countertop allows users to position their iPad or other tablets for comfortable viewing and interaction. The HoverBar's flexible arm extends up to 24 inches. It can rotate 360 degrees, providing users with unlimited viewing angles. Clamp is compatible with all iPads and tablets, and its easy-to-use design ensures a secure grip. The HoverBar is perfect for hands-free reading, streaming videos, or video conferencing. Its sturdy build and sleek design make it a great addition to any workspace or home. Number 5. HoverBoard. This HoverBoard is the ultimate art collectible, a real-life floating skateboard that hovers several inches above the ground. It's one of record-breaking highest levitating designs yet. A whopping maximum levitation height of 3.14 inches, that's some serious airtime. This little gem is the perfect combination of art and tech. It's guaranteed to add a touch of magic to your life. The best part is you don't even need to be a wizard to make it happen. Perfect for collectors, tech enthusiasts, and anyone who appreciates modern art. It's a great conversation starter, making it an excellent addition to any office lobby or home decor. It's available in various colors and designs, so customers can choose one that fits their personal style and taste. Number 6. HyperShell. Wilderness is not a luxury. It's in our veins, or when everyday adventures lead to unexpected experiences. This has the power and technology that takes you there. The M1 Bionic motor can offset up to 30 kilos of weight. Feel light and agile like never before. During hiking, running, and mountaineering, again, extra horsepower in hyper mode, even at your best, pace fast. Break records. Make a history of your own. Extend your body with 14 high-precision sensors that capture your intention and step in with zero delay. The full alloy frame and weatherproof design make HyperShell incredibly light and sturdy. Number 7. Wearable Air Conditioner. Tornado is the perfect solution to deal with heat. Simply wear it and stay cool with strong wind blowing from 5 fans with one click. It offers 3 wind levels, 500mm air supply radius, and 585-liter limited total air supply volume. Could dispel the heat for keeping cool and comfortable. Nothing handheld is required, and it never affects any of your movements. Its rechargeable battery can last for up to 3.5 hours, and with a tiny power bank, you can stay cool for the whole day. Number 8. Roller Stamp. Identity theft is of growing concern in today's digital age. Hackers can steal sensitive information, such as social security numbers, bank account details, and credit card information with just a few clicks. To protect yourself from identity theft, you can use an Identity Theft Protection Roller Stamp. It's an Identity Theft Protection Roller Stamp. This is a small device that uses special ink to cover up personal information on documents. By rolling the stamp over your sensitive information, it obscures it from view, making it unreadable to anyone who might try to steal it. This can be particularly useful for bills, credit cards, statements, and other documents that contain personal information. Number 9. Furniture Mover. This dolly is a useful tool designed to move heavy furniture and appliances. It's much easier as the name suggests. It has 3 wheels that allow it to be easily maneuvered in tight spaces and around corners. The dolly is typically made of sturdy materials like steel or aluminum and can support heavy loads of up to several hundred pounds. It is also equipped with straps or other mechanisms to help secure the furniture or appliance being moved to prevent it from sliding off during transport. With a 3-wheel furniture dolly, you can save your back and reduce the risk of injury when moving heavy items around your home or office. Number 10. M-Stand. Say goodbye to carrying bulky toolkits and hello to the M-Stand. The world's first titanium multi-tool phone stand innovative design combines practicality with style. Featuring a compact and lightweight titanium construction that's corrosion-resistant and built to last. The M-Stand is not only a sleek necklace pendant, but it also transforms into a phone or tablet. M-Stand making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, professionals, and anyone who wants to enhance their everyday carry. The M-Stand also features a built-in multi-tool with a bottle opener, screwdriver, and rope cutter. It provides everything you need in one convenient package. Plus, with a hidden compartment for storing a spare bit, you'll never have to worry about losing an important tool again. Number 11. Fukangya. Unlike traditional hairdryers, this is a mini high-speed hairdryer that integrates a hairdryer, a prominent cosmetic mirror, and an essential oil container. Furthermore, high-speed motors and 200 meters negative ions achieve fast damage, free hair drying, and essential oil. Atomization is great for efficient hair care. The mirror design gives it a dual-purpose practicality. The fashionable phone-like design makes it easy to carry around and friendly to travel and business trips, especially for women and fashionistas. Large HD mirror on the front that can be used for doing makeup. This is designed with a hair care oil container on top. Hot air is used to atomize the essential oil, allowing it to reach the hair roots deeply. It provides intensive care for every hair strand while avoiding split ends. Frizz users can deep treat their hair with essential oils. Number 12. Quartet. This is a side table that transforms into 4 stools designed for apartments. This multifunctional and space-saving piece makes gatherings at home a breeze. This is a versatile piece of furniture that combines the functionality of a side table and 4 stools in one. This innovative design makes it perfect for small spaces, where every inch of floor space counts. Transforming it from a side table to 4 stools is easy and effortless. Simply lift the tabletop and the stools emerge from underneath. Each stool can support up to 250 pounds, making it suitable for adults and children. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to tap that subscribe button and notification bell so we can keep in touch. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.